Taki. I wear multiple hats. Today I'm wearing the hat for Realms, and I'm wearing the hat for Island DAO. Nice to see you all. Hello, Crossroads. So let's talk about how we bridge governance with real life experiences. Let's see how this works. So why decentralized governance matters? Um, Many people think that DAOs and governance are not very important, and we should not be paying too much attention to them. But it is very important because it's one of the core aspects of crypto in general, and it's one of the ways that we coordinate as groups through technology, and that's one of the biggest things that blockchain tech has enabled us. It allows for transparency, efficiency, and align communities and groups of people for towards a common shared goal. And it's also very important because of regulation, which is coming at some point. Regulation is coming in crypto, and this is good because we're growing. We're a very new industry, and we want to grow more. And if we want to grow more, we are going to have some kind of regulation. And if you want to be safe and insulated from trouble as a founder, as a project, and you should be isolated so you can focus on your building, you should consider decentralized governance. One of the most important things is to be permissionless. You need to be able to participate in your governance without asking permission from anyone. So that's something very important when it comes to decentralized governance. On-chain governance is boring until you realize that without it, your favorite protocol is ruled by three guys in a group chat. We don't want this to happen. We've seen several examples of projects that they've been going well. They were some kind of a DAO to a certain extent, up until they weren't. So you need to have to give control to the community. You need to give them some kind of control over your activity. Just because DAOs and governance are about shared ownership, which is also true to the Web3 ethos and to how crypto works. So you need to be paying attention to these things. So pay attention to DAOs that you can put proposals up. Pay attention to DAOs that you can participate. Pay attention to DAOs that have a clear path, or at least they describe a clear path for you to be involved to any degree that you want to be involved. This is very important. Don't go blindly into DAOs or decentralized groups that they claim to be decentralized, but they don't give you any kind of word or control or power or on how to do things. Within Realms, we are facilitating this decentralized governance. We are the DAO infrastructure of Solana. We are the home of Solana DAOs, and we're very proud to be around in the ecosystem since 2020. Realms was created by Solana Labs, and for over a year now, it's been handed over to the community, and we're running it as a team outside the Solana Foundation. And we're very happy about that because this is one of the things that signals that the ecosystem gets more decentralized. So you need to be giving control to the community, and that's the correct way that the Solana Labs and the foundation have acted upon. Realms is a powerhouse of an infrastructure, one of the most complex smart contracts of Solana. We house 1.2 billion in assets through the DAOs that have their home in Realms. We have more than 3,000 DAOs. The biggest DAOs on Solana are on Realms. Metaplex, Thief, Jito, Bonk, Marinade, Drift, and many others. On Realms, you have proposals with executable instructions. Everything is fully on chain. You can customize your DAO however you want. This is very important. You can go as decentralized as you want. You can go as complex as you want, or you can do things in the simplest way possible. It's a no-code solution. You don't need to be a developer to understand things. You just need to be thinking in the governance direction, let's say. There is also options for DeFi for DAOs on Realms, which is something very important. to be able to have DeFi activity for your own group, for your own protocol, such as, chasing yield or limit orders and many, many other things soon to come, streaming tokens and all that. We keep trying to improve and we keep working to improve the experience for the users, and we keep trying to simplify the very complex nature of decentralized governance for our users. This is why we're working on new and new versions of Realms. And one of the things I'm very happy to give you a preview today is the V2 of our UI. We're working on the new UI, which is going to be richer in terms of how you can track your DAO activity. You can have treasury management in more nuanced ways, and you can have more options about that, more stats for your members, profiles, and all the things and bells and whistles that will make your life easier as a DAO member or as a DAO in general. Coming up very, very soon. We're still working on it. If you have some feedback, drop it up, come find me later, or hit us up at Realms DAOs on Twitter. Next up, we're also finishing up our network state UI. Network states are some kind of evolution for DAOs, and we're very, very happy that we've put some work into this network state UI. It's something that we've been working for a while. Most likely it's going to be ready very, very soon. You can see a mock-up here. This is a UI solely focused for network states, or for DAOs and groups that want to dive in more into the network state waters. It has a more engaging and transparent UX. You can see your members around the world. You can see their earnings. You can have calendar integration, so you never miss another event or another proposal or any kind of activity that is important for your DAO. You can also run your operations in a better and more streamlined way. So we're very, very excited to have this, and can't wait to share this with you in the coming months. Another way that we're trying to help the ecosystem as an infrastructure provider and as a public good that Realms is through the Realms Ecosystem DAO. You can scan the QR here and check the website. Realms Ecosystem DAO is a decentralized fund for grants consisting of member DAOs of 28 of some of the biggest DAOs on Solana. We're focused on giving out grants for governance, giving out grants that pursue to improve the decentralized governance experience on Solana, and we're very happy to have approved some grants already from Realms, from Red, such as the limit order for DAOs and liquidity provider positions for DAOs. That's also very soon to come out. If you have any idea, and if you want to build on governance, hit us up at Red. Give us your proposal. Make it good, and maybe the 28 members in the DAO there, they consider funding it. So this is something that we want to pursue and demonstrate how to run a decentralized grants fund. Now, as I said before, there are many complexities when it comes to handling and using governance. The truth is that the tools are there, but most likely people don't have the incentive, or they are simply too bored to use them. We're trying to change that, and we're trying to change that by focusing on governance beyond protocols. So governance in its essence is about coordinate people efficiently and making the user's life easier. One of the ways we're doing this is through the DAO games that we come up with this year. This is the DAO game that we run in Hong Kong in Consensus at our booth there a couple of months ago. It's a great way to showcase the tech. It's a great way to unite blockchain technology with real-life experiences. We're all about that. I'm going to expand on that in a second. DAO games are a great way to onboard new users to governance. It's a really fun way, engaging way to showcase your protocol, to showcase the Solana tech stack when it comes to governance and how many things you can do there. And we see phenomenal engagement in Hong Kong. And we're running the same thing here at Crossroads. We have our DAO games. We're very, very excited to start our DAO games today for the whole duration of Crossroads. Come find us, come find me, Legend or Wales friend in the audience over there. Shout out to them and ask us how you can play the game. There are prizes that you can participate there. Do this, by using the Solana tech stack and earn and win prizes from our big and exciting partners that we are very happy to call our friends. Another way that we're trying to connect real life and blockchain tech is through Island DAO. Island DAO is a community of power users and a series of month-long events for builders. It's a top builder-focused sandbox, let's say. We've been using blockchain tech and other ways to merge these two facets, that real life and blockchain technology. We've used those in Island DAO in two of our events last year. One of them was for show, which is a commitment protocol that you can use to make sure that your attendees show up for your event, your side event, or whatever you want to organize. Maybe it's a dinner with friends, maybe it's something, that you want to ensure that people join and you don't left hanging out there by yourself through a reservation, through an event, through, making something that, putting some energy and then don't have people show up there. We have been putting DAOs on islands for a year now. The long-form real-life builder events for deep collaborations is something that we love to do, and we're excited to announce that Island DAO will return in 2025 after summer, most likely. I don't think this video will play. So Island DAO merged with Dean's List. Dean's List is a community of power users. We do feedback sessions, we run grants programs, and we are here to help other protocols win and help you become better. And by merging with Island DAO, which was just a part of the event until recently, we now can have a greater mission as a network state, which is to buy an island one event at a time, eventually. If you haven't been to Island DAO, I cannot recommend it enough. It's a great place to connect with other builders, much more than the meet and greet that you do in shorter conferences like hacker houses, when you have some meet and greet, but you can't really exchange some information, or you can't really go deep into things. Working together with other builders from your industry, from your niche, or from different niches for a month is very, very powerful, and you can get so many things done. This is what we discovered through both Island DAOs, and we can't wait to repeat this experience again and again and again until we have our own island to run a permanent hacker house, let's say. One of the things that we're doing to supercharge the Island DAO experience and supercharge how we do these events, these real-life events, and how we put DAOs on islands is the Perks NFT collection. The Perks NFT collection is minting today. The mint is going to be open in less than 10 minutes. In 8 minutes, the mint is going to be open. We're minting on Magic Eden. We have some partners that we're very, very excited about: Soulflare, Monkey DAO, All Domains, most of the super teams, and many, many, many others. We're very, very excited to be minting during a real-life event. It's only fitting for us being focused in real-life events. And the Perks collection, the Perks NFT, it's going to be your ticket to the next Island DAO. So if you want to come to Island DAOs, to the next Island DAO, or into every event that we're going to be doing, you're going to need one of those NFTs. We're using the latest technology by Metaplex Core, with different attributes and different technologies. We're very, very excited about that. As I said, we're power users, and we want to explore the technology, we want to use the technology, and we want to apply as much of it as possible to whatever we do. And the Perks NFT collection is also tied to the island token that we have when it comes to governance through multipliers, through certain traits and all that. If you're interested, if you want to join Island DAO, check it out. Mint is open in 8 minutes, 6 minutes, and it's going to be on Magic Eden. We'd love to see you on an island very, very soon. That's it for me. You can check out Realms in the QR here, check out Island DAO. What you should be doing when it comes to governance. Join a DAO, connect with other people, play our DAO game, experience how easy this technology is to use, how you can coordinate a group of friends, a protocol, whether you are a founder, whether you are, a hackathon submission. Do integrate DAOs into whatever you do, because by the moment you're going to be forced to use them, it's going to be too late. And it's always fun to get involved communities and other members of your ecosystem to the decision-making process to whatever level and extent you wish. It's always better to grow together rather than growing alone. Thank you.